In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create quality content at scale, so let's do this. Now, even when you're creating content at a low volume, maybe you're only creating one YouTube video per week, you're still going to want to make sure that you can control quality. Whenever you're working with someone, you want to have a clear expectation on what you expect from them. But when you're creating a high volume of video content, currently we're producing 89 pieces of content per week and 13 pieces per day across a number of different marketing channels, it becomes even more important that you control the quality. We recently went from about 10 pieces of content per week and gradually got up to 60 pieces of content per week. And here you can see us branching into a new era of 89 pieces per week. The way you control quality just becomes even more and more important. And one of the ways we do that is through video guidelines. Here are guidelines for our Descript video editor, and here are guidelines for our YouTube, LinkedIn Square videos. This is where we take YouTube videos like this and turn them into a square for LinkedIn. And in this case, not only do we have video editing, but we also have copywriting, because of course a LinkedIn post also includes copy for that post. So for each person, we break down the objective, the instructions, and we provide examples. And so for the video editor, we'll really map out what that objective is, which is to take a vertical video and make it compatible with LinkedIn, and that video continues to be engaging for that platform. And because a YouTube video is horizontal, we make clear that we need to make sure that the speaker is in the middle and that we're also tracking whatever they're talking about. So if I happen to be talking about something up here, if the video editor just simply makes it square, we're going to cut this whole section off. So the video editor is going to need to go move in and highlight this section of the video when he goes to make it a square. We also provide some specific instructions. We're reiterating that it's going from horizontal to square, and then we highlight some examples below. We also remove the YouTube call to action. We remove the end screen that's on most YouTube videos. We apply captions and which font to use. We get clear on specific colors if we're adding something, how many lines of text there should be, and then we actually provide examples and other examples if necessary that might include what the captions are supposed to look like. And then below, we do the same for the copywriter. What should the copywriter be thinking as they take that video and create text for a post? We ask them to watch the video and determine the point of the video and to write that copy from scratch, and that it should stand alone from the video, and that it shouldn't actually reference the video, and then the general format of the content that we like to see. And then we actually point to a couple of examples that they can click on and actually view live. And then the way we actually provide scalability is keeping all of this organized in our content engine database. You'll see all of my editors or my copywriters have their own view, and they can see all the videos that they are responsible for right now. And then over here, you can see that there's editor guidelines that point them directly at the documents we were just discussing. So if they click on one of these, it directly opens up that document for them to see. So no matter what type of video they're working on, whether it's a YouTube video, a vertical video for TikTok, or a square video that is being converted from a YouTube video, they always have clear access to those guidelines. And because when your content team is scaling up, you might have people coming and going, new people always have easy access to those guidelines, and existing people can have easy access to any updates that you might make. So there you go. That's how we create quality content at scale. And if you'd like to learn more about how to create content at scale, go ahead and click on the next video. I go in depth on how to create scalable content workflows for how to repurpose content from YouTube or a podcast into social media clips or whatever that might be. So go ahead and click on the next video. I go in depth on how to create those scalable workflows. I will see you in the next video.